Hey guys, it's me the Bombay Chef Varun Inamdar and welcome to Rajshri Food. Well, today's recipe is a very unusual chai and this chai is from India. It's called the Kashmiri Noon Chai. Let's begin. Well, chai, for all you know, is very simple. It's water, it's chai patti, tea leaves, sugar, milk and some spices for the ones who prefer. But this one is a complete detour. This is a very unusual chai and this one is known as cha, not chai. This one also is very unusual because it uses salt and not sugar. Also, another very interesting ingredient is baking soda. Let's see how this is made. The first thing is to light the flame and add in 2 cups of water. To this water, I'm going to add in green tea leaves and give it a stir. To this, I'm going to add in salt and along with this, baking soda. Stir this well and allow this to boil literally for 10 to 12 minutes till it is almost reduced to 2 tablespoons. This chai needs to be made in 2-3 batches. Of course, the base decoction can be made and kept for the entire day, and that's how Kashmiris have this. We've had this chai years back in Pahalgam, where I remember I was looking for this tea right through Pahalgam and Srinagar and I didn't get it anywhere. Finally, I requested my driver to organize this tea. He very sweetly took us home, gave us this chai with some naan katai, some biscuits and things like that, and trust me, they're fantastic. Also, there was Kashmiri Rot, that reminds me, which was paired with this. This chai, of course, needs to be made in 2-3 stages. The first one is the decoction. That decoction needs to be reduced. Then some more water goes in, that further gets reduced, and after that goes in milk. That's why you get that wonderful pink color. It's pinkish orange. You'll get it as you go. Once this concoction reduces and starts looking like that, you can see it from the line how much this has reduced. Also, if you see, the color has intensified and turned a shade orange pink. That's exactly how we want this. At this stage, I'm going to add in 2 cups of water more. Continue boiling this and reduce it to the same amount as earlier. Well, this chai is not just a Kashmiri chai. I've had a similar tea in Bhutan. I've had a similar tea in Siliguri. I've had a similar tea in the Tibetan belt or in the Himalayan belt, because this chai is wonderful to warm you from within. Of course, have this in the monsoons in Mumbai and you will feel the difference. Very interesting. Trust me. The decoction has reduced perfectly. If you see, the color has intensified wonderfully well. At this stage, we add in milk. Allow this to boil on high flame. And with this, your Kashmiri Noon Chai is done and ready. Noon, I didn't tell you before, is salt in Kashmiri language. Well, not just Kashmiri, in a lot of Indian languages. On that note, try this Noon Chai, a very different salt chai for your family, for your friends, in good and safer times. For now, stay safe. Bye for now.